What makes your video be the one? That one.
That I could be the one. It's all about timing, Frank.
Soundtrack selection. Choosing music that resonates. Scriptwriting brilliance. Storytelling mastery. Crafting a compelling narrative. Visual aesthetics. The importance of cinematography and visual appeal. Sound design. Capturing and enhancing audio for impact. Editing wizardry. The art of seamless video editing. Visual storytelling is a powerful tool for engaging viewers and enhancing the experience of your video. Visual storytelling. The visual narrative telling a story isn't limited to the use of words and dialogue alone. Visual storytelling plays an equally important role in conveying an effective story in a video. Here are some ways to explore and emphasize the power of visual storytelling. Communicating without words. Show how, through images and actions, it's possible to convey ideas, emotions, and messages without the need for explicit dialogue. Well-constructed scenes can speak for themselves. Setting, environment, and atmosphere. Explore how the setting and atmosphere of a scene can tell a lot about the story. Colors, lighting, backgrounds, and environmental elements can create a rich context for the narrative. Visual symbolism. Discuss the use of visual symbolism to convey concepts and themes. For example, the choice of a specific object in a scene can represent something larger in the story. Feedback and iteration. Learning from your audience's responses.
Terrible timing.
It's all about control.
Continuous visual sequences. Highlight how a continuous visual sequence can tell a complex story.
Time!
You shoot them. Just like your video.
Because in the end, it's all about timing.
Control.
This can be especially effective in longer videos where multiple scenes are interconnected.
I won't let you die alone.
Meaningful transitions. Address the use of visual transitions to create connections or contrasts between scenes. This can enhance changes in the narrative or emphasize crucial points. Use of close-ups. Explore how close-ups can reveal emotions and important details on characters' faces. Gazes and facial expressions can convey a lot in visual storytelling. Editing and rhythm. Explain how editing, the pace of scenes, and the choice of shots can influence the narrative's rhythm and affect the audience's emotions. Visual metaphors. Analyze how visual metaphors can be used to convey abstract concepts. This involves representing ideas through concrete images. Character evolution. Show how character development can be reflected visually throughout the story.
Control. I'm loving. I'm finding love. I'm hiding. I'm searching. I'm loving. I'm finding love.
This may include changes in appearance, posture, and interactions. Coherent visual narrative. Ensure that the visual narrative is cohesive and aligns with the verbal narrative. Harmony between these elements is crucial for understanding the story. Examples from notable films. Use examples from notable films to illustrate how famous directors have used visual storytelling to tell impactful stories.
Mind control.
To get your video blueprint of the interior.
Yep.
Take as long as you need.
That you think you need total control to be good at this.
You need to learn control.
But first things first.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Control is power.
Control. We need a new.
So how is your video going?
Schemers trying to control their little worlds.
It allows you to tell stories in a richer, more expressive, and memorable way. By skillfully combining visually crafted elements with a solid narrative, you create a visual storytelling experience that resonates with the audience.
Porque yo era muy feliz.
tu lado me siento mejor. Nunca te vayas de aquí, mi amor. A tu lado me siento mejor. Nunca te vayas de aquí.
Staying current, adapting to trends and changes in video production.
The sun is shining, I feel alive.
Porque yo era muy feliz.
Let's walk to the sea. It's me. This is where I want to be.
Porque yo era tan feliz.
Saw through that one, did you?
I see it. I see the emotion.
See, he's very emotional.
Oh, emotions.
Gonna get emotional.
Saw everything you did.